As a globally leading manufacturer of armored vehicles, Inca's Armored Vehicle Manufacturing is proud to release the newly upgraded version of the Century Civilian, the civilian-grade, fully customizable, armoring optional heavy-duty truck. Based on its high-demand armored version flavored by law enforcement across the globe, the Inca Century Civilian offers the SWAT vehicle experience, however, in a civilian-grade package designed to be a daily driver. The new Inca Century Civilian is based on the reliable and sought-after Ford F-550 platform that ensures remarkable functionality and excellent driving performance across various terrains. In order to offer advanced on- and off-road performance, the Inca's engineering team has optimized the suspension system, installed heavy-duty brakes, and reinforced key mechanical components. The vehicle's exterior design has been upgraded: front and rear spoilers, a modified rear bumper, and illuminated steps that add a refined finish to the already upscale vehicle. The Century Civilian interior layout is 100% customizable to meet clients' needs, with optional luxury features such as deluxe high-security safes, handcrafted bars, high-end electric system, and much more. Additional Inca security integrations are available on request, which includes features such as night vision systems, chemical protection, 360-degree surveillance cameras with cloud recording, integrated access controls, and many more. The new Inca Century Civilian is now available for worldwide delivery to all major seaports, or even air freight upon special request. For additional information, please contact Inca's Armored Vehicle Manufacturing at incasarmored.com.